songs. Ras mentioned I Saw Zion.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to teach you the lyrics to that. We're going to sing that.
Okay.
I Saw Zion. So here, I'm going to try to sing it. It says,
Good.
I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth his right hand, for it's like a family reunion. They were all singing the same song, singing praises to the Almighty One. All I see is righteousness, surrounded by consciousness. I saw Zion in a vision. Alright, so I'm going to teach you the words. We're going to try to sing it together. I'm not the best singer, but it's really like I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth his right hand, for it's like a family reunion. Right? They were all singing the same song, singing praises to the Almighty One. All I see is righteousness, surrounded by consciousness. And then we'll repeat the chorus, right?
Okay,
so after 3, we're going to try it one more time. 1, 2, 3. I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amongst everyone, stretching forth his right hand. It's like a family reunion. Alright, so we might not have the tune, but we got the words. I'm going to write it down. You saw Zion in a vision. So Zion is whatever your Zion is. So for some it's Ghana, for some it could be other parts of Africa. And we don't have a problem with those who feel like it's America. You know, because you can create your own Zion, which is what Ras did. You're in the system with Babylon, but you create your little space and do the things that you need to do for you. We have to learn how to do that. With all the stuff that we're going through at work, I'm in a peculiar position right now where they signed me on as a consultant. I was working with all these companies for a consultant for years, making twice what I'm making now. I made a very calculated decision to go as a staff because I wanted to buy my house. I don't want to live in America, but I want to have a toll booth there where it can work for me so I can avail myself to be elsewhere. You know, because the money multiplies by 3.7 here and more for other parts. And so I want to go back to being a consultant where I have autonomy. I can sit on the beach in Jamaica. I love to travel. I can be in Ghana. And my stuff is still working because my money is pumping. Right. So I'm personally working on that. It's been so difficult for me to resign because I actually also love the work that I do. Because I work for the community. We're in a social services agency. And I'm actually getting paid to do the work that I do naturally. Wow. I have a master's in management and public relations, and that's essentially what I do. So it's very hard for me to do it. But I'm so inspired by what Ras said, because if you keep thinking about it and you're not actively trying to make that transition, you're going to be stuck. So what I'm trying to do right now is to save my money, because I told people all the time, I said, I'm going to be that person who retires at 50. I have 5 more years to go. I just celebrated 45. So we're going to work harder when we go back, save up some money. And I told Amani, I'm coming back to Ghana not just to work with the children, but to also build something here as a business. I have tons of skills. I do fitness, you know, I do motivational speaking, I do websites, graphic design, all kinds of stuff. So I can think about what I want to do. But I want you to think about what you could also do in Africa. Not necessarily Ghana, but we're saying Ghana because we're here now. Instead of having other people rob our country of all those resources that we have. Think about how life could be better for you somewhere else. And if it's in the United States, create your own little piece of Africa like Ras Marvin did. The other song that I'm going to teach you the words of are the one by Peter Tosh. No matter where you come from, as long as you're a black man or a Haitian, you're in Africa. Alright?
That's right.
Don't watch your nationality. You have the identity of an African. If your complexion, which is your complexion, high, or if your complexion is low, don't matter, you're still an African. Alright, so we're going to say that together. No matter where you come from, as long as you're a black man, you're an African. No what's your nationality, you have the identity of an African. Alright, those are also only. Alright, we're going to get back to that later at the after party. But right now we got some more people who have not shared. Kennedy, is she awake?
Kennedy, she feeling better?
Oh gosh, she went back to sleep. Alright, so Kennedy went back to sleep. We're going to catch her later. But right now we have the people who really helped to make this store safe, more educational, more engaging. They're here also for translation services. You've met some of them in passing, but it's important that they come up here and talk a little bit about themselves, because we're also learning about them as they're learning about us. So I'm going to ask Righteous, the man who is so dapper, he has his own fashion line. Come to Righteous! To the stage. And Righteous, just talk a little bit about who you are as a person, and then let them know about your business and personal relationship with Babani, working with Africa for the Africans, and really helping the people along the way to make the journey better for them.
Greetings, family.
Greetings, Righteous.
I want to sing a song from Ras.
Okay.